Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts! Welcome to Quasars, where the universe opens up its most dazzling and mysterious secrets to all of us. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what the brightest, most incredible objects in the vast cosmos could possibly be? Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to unravel the enigma of quasars, the superstars of the universe. If you're as curious as I am, please hit that subscribe button right now and become part of our incredible cosmic community. Let's dive in and explore together. Quasars, or quasi-stellar objects as they're scientifically known, are not just any celestial bodies. They are the brightest and most distant objects that human eyes and telescopes can detect across the infinite expanse of space. They radiate with the unimaginable power of trillions of suns combined into a single point of light. Located billions upon billions of light-years away from our tiny planet, quasars are fueled by the immense gravitational pull of supermassive black holes sitting at the hearts of ancient galaxies. These cosmic beacons serve as windows into the past, helping astronomers and scientists around the world piece together the puzzle of how our universe came to be. But the big question remains, how do these incredible phenomena actually work? Let's take a closer look and break it all down step by step. Quasars come to life when vast clouds of gas and dust are irresistibly drawn into the depths of a supermassive black hole, a process that creates a spinning, fiery disk known as an accretion disk. This disk is where the magic happens, as the material heats up to extreme temperatures under the black hole's immense pressure. As this intense heat builds, it unleashes massive jets of energy that shoot out into space, transforming quasars into beacons that shine brighter than entire galaxies put together. Imagine this, a single quasar can outshine a galaxy containing 200 billion stars, a testament to the extraordinary power we're dealing with here. It's mind-blowing to think about, isn't it? Scientists across the globe use advanced tools like the James Webb Space Telescope to capture the light from these distant quasars, allowing us to decode the secrets hidden in their ancient glow and learn more about the universe's distant past. The journey doesn't stop there. Quasars are like incredible time machines carrying light that has traveled for over 12 billion years to reach us, offering a glimpse into the universe as it existed long before our solar system was even a thought. Could these powerful objects hold the key to finding signs of alien civilizations out there among the stars? Some of the brightest minds in science believe it's possible, and we'll dive deeper into that mystery in future videos, so stay tuned. At Quasars, I'm committed to taking you on an unforgettable voyage through the cosmos, from quasars to black holes and beyond. Now let's pause for a moment. Have you subscribed yet? If not, please click that subscribe button to join our growing family of space explorers. Coming up next, we'll venture into the dark and mysterious world of black holes, followed by an in-depth look at how galaxies form across the universe. These are topics you won't want to miss, so make sure you're with us for every step of this cosmic adventure. Quasars are just the beginning of what we have in store for you here at Quasars. They challenge our understanding of space and time, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Every discovery about quasars brings us closer to answering the big questions. Where did we come from, and are we alone? The excitement doesn't end here. I'll keep exploring these wonders and sharing them with you. So, what do you think about quasars so far? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please drop a comment below with quasar to let me know you're with us on this journey. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. It really helps us reach more people who love space as much as we do. As we wrap up, let's look forward to what's coming. Our next video will dive deep into the secrets of black holes, those enigmatic giants that warp space and time. After that, we'll explore the breathtaking process of galaxy formation, revealing how these massive structures come to be. Don't miss out on any of this. Subscribe now to stay updated. And while you're at it, please ring that bell icon to get notifications for every new video we release. Your support means the world to us as we continue to uncover the mysteries of the universe together. Thank you for joining us on this incredible ride through the cosmos. Comment quasar again if you're excited, and hit that subscribe button one more time if you haven't yet. We can't wait to see you in our next cosmic adventure. Goodbye for now, and keep looking up at the stars.